Hello, everyone. Dr. Robert Kozlowski here, and we are in Workshop 3 of Social Work 336 Social Policy course. This week, we're going to be kind of looking at the power of the community. Last week, we kind of talked about the strength of the individual. Now we're going to be looking at the strength of the community that they exist in and how social policy can draw upon that strength. Um, as usual, you're going to have kind of things to do in the course this week. You're going to have a reading, you're going to have a devotional, you're going to have a discussion board, and you're going to have an assignment, and you're going to have an open book quiz. I'm sure you're going to do fantastic on. Your assignment this week is going to continue to develop that paper that we've been working on, what we're building towards a kind of a final paper at the end. So you're going to add another couple pieces to that. Uh, just remember to work with your professor, listen to the critiques they make on your paper, make adjustments so it's the best product at the end possible. Uh, I wish you grace and peace this week, and I hope that everything runs smoothly for you.